Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fardaw Sahel. In this video, I'm going to show you with Google Doc how you can add a footnote. To add a footnote, we need to click on Insert menu, and here we have the footnote. You can use the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+F. Now I'm going to click on the footnote so we can add a footnote to this page. And if I hit enter, there is more space that I can write more text. When I hit enter again and again, it goes up. But when I hit the backspace on my keyboard, the footnote is going to come to its position in the page. And up here, I can just click here to add more text. To delete the footnote, by holding Ctrl A on my keyboard, I'm going to select everything and hit the delete button on my keyboard. So this is how we can add a footnote for our Google Doc document. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. Catch you guys in the next video.